Okay, guys, welcome back sa ating Buhay Ireland. And this is our second part ng ating first episode nung yung kausap natin si Don King actually last time. So pinasabik lang namin kayo last time kasi nga so sobrang haba ng mapag-uusapan hindi kakayanin ng 1 hour. So we would like to do it in a different part and more likely yun pa rin naman dance yung pag-uusapan natin. So last time na pag-uusapan natin yung about Donkey, saan siya nag-start, saan niya nakuha yung influence ng pagiging dancer at yung acting. And then, ito nga, dumating na yung time na nag-ano siya, lumipad, nag-OFW, and then, nagtrabaho. So, nagtrabaho siya as a chocolate factory and then may mga struggle syempre si Donkey na nangyari na hindi naman niya ginusto pero ito yung sacrifice na he have to make. At ito nga yung nag-newspaper nga siya sa mga hindi nakakaalam. So kung di nyo pa napapanood yung ating episode 1 na yon, panoorin nyo na dito sa link sa taas yung video na yon. So marami kayong matututunan doon from Don King. Kumbaga ano yun eh, yung last na usapan natin doon is
Hmm.
about buhay mo talaga. And
Hmm.
then, yung ano, parang hindi naman siya negative. Kumbaga, yung mga totoong nangyayari as in reality ng isang
Yes.
worker as a OFW. Pero before natin pag-usapan itong new topic, pero dance pa rin. Kamustahin mo natin si Don King. Don, pare, kamusta ka na? Kamusta ang
Ayos
buhay
lang.
Ireland?
Ayos naman, masaya, malamig.
Masay, malamig.
Welcome back to this second episode. I'm
Yes, sir.
delighted to continue on the second part. Just to
Oo.
share the blessings and the struggles and
Mm,
walks of life here sa
yes.
Ireland. So all good.
Teka.
Christmas is
Yes.
nakakaraos sa Christmas and
Mm.
then New
Mm.
Year and then now malamig dito sa Ireland. So
Nagyayelo. Nagyayelo po. Well, ewan ko sa inyo diyan, pero dito
wala
talaga
sa
since nung sinabi, yellow.
Dublin wala.
Wala
Ibang
talaga.
wala. It's weird,
Saan,
no?
saan ba kayong bansa? Di kayo
That's
nagyayelo
nga
dyan
eh.
dito.
Ba't ganun? Ba't parang wala sa inyong ba't dito walang
Sa
yelo?
inyo wala. And hindi ko nga alam, pero anyway, siguro umuusog nga yung weather for some reason. It's only like an hour or two away from you, yung distance natin. Pero nagyayelo dito, sa inyo hindi. Hanggang ngayon, nag-ano pa nga. Hindi naman siya nagyayelo, pero frozen naman yung ano, alam mo yun, kalsada, delikado mag-drive. So sa mga nanonood nito, alam ko baka ano na to, late na, pero yeah, mag-ingat pa rin sa pagdadrive. So yun nga, before tayo mag-start, Don, yun nga, gusto ko lang batiin lahat ng Happy New Year kasi new 2025 na ngayon. Eh, last time na nag-usap actually, yun nga, 2025 na rin natin na-release tong ano, yung first episode more likely. So after New Year namin siya nire-release. And then, kumustahin ko muna lahat at before ating ipagpatuloy yung ating discussion kay Don King, gusto ko muna sabihin, yung mga nagpapa-shoutout kasi nagagalit na sa akin. Sabi ko, sige, shoutout ko na nga kayo bago ako
Sige, shoutout
makalimutan.
mo. Shoutout lang, shoutout lang.
Ang dami no, Don. Well, hindi naman sa marami, pero shoutout ko muna. Nilista ko na
Sige.
para sa inyo. Shoutout ko muna yung mga nagpapa-shoutout, let's say, itong mga new followers natin. And itong ating si Kabogchi, yung si Rex na radiographer, yung mga followers natin from UAE and Philippines and European country. Ang dami nilang minessage, ang dami nilang sinasabi. Kumbaga, nagtatanong about everything about dito sa Ireland. Actually, it helps me to communicate different people na hindi ko na makilala. At syempre, nagpa-follow sila, men. And then, so far, sa ngayon, we have had 421. Last time, ilan ba sinabi ko siya? 200 something.
200. Mm.
Now, it's 421. It just like, boom.
Wow.
Thank you so much, guys. I know, right? Thank you so much, guys, sa inyong mga followers sa mga nanonood sa atin. And keep watching lang kayo, guys, kasi magbibigay pa kami ng more information, more details sa mga gantong katulad nating nag-work dito sa Ireland. At kung makakatulong tayo sa mga tao, syempre, kung anong paraan, yung gagawin natin. And syempre, yung last episode din namin before kay Don King, yung kay Attorney Nonito, maraming salamat. Marami pa rin nagtatanong sa akin doon about dun sa mga situation nila dito sa Ireland. So if there's any question, message lang kayo ng message. Kasi sa kanya ko rin binibigay yung tanong. So sinasagot niya rin ako, tapos binabalik ko lang nila. Parang,
Ah.
bridge
Oh,
sa kanila.
yes.
So, yun nga, gusto ko lang i-mention if they want this kind of question kay attorney Nonito, we probably do some I mean discuss sing na kay Nonito yung live streaming namin para question and answer. So I think that will be a good help para direktahan na tayo mag-usap online kasi normally si attorney kasi may bayad siya sa consultation for this time, pero this time it's gonna be free. Maybe a 1 hour session to. So anyways, kung gusto niyo magtanong, maglalagay kami sa Buhay Ireland, magpo-post kami doon, and then lagay natin weekend sa lahat. Advantage na sa lahat to para sa mga gusto magtanong, eto na ang pagkakataon nyo. So anyways, yun, and then siguro last one na lang, yun nga, marami tayong information na naibigay from last podcast kay Don King. So this time, dancing, Don King, siya pa rin ang ating kausap. And then, Don, eto na, group sa Ireland. Sino ba, ano ba ang mga nasalihan mong group? Ano bang ginawa mo? Paano mo ba nirepresent ang Ireland and Philippines?
Sa competition tayo, no?
Okay, competition or in general, more likely.
In general,
Sabi siya, kasama na yan ng competition, syempre.
Before ako, kasi dancer na kasi ako dito sa dancer na ako sa Pilipinas. Actually, natakil na natin yun. So, nabanggit ko na rin ba yung reality show na Ballet Chancers in the first, I think nabanggit ko na, di ba?
I think you did.
Yeah.
Actually, hindi masyado nabanggit lahat yata yun eh.
Or
nabanggit konti lang.
Konti
pero
lang, no?
kasama yon sa mga naging mo.
Yun.
Highlights.
So, reality show yun. Actually, nabanggit na natin yun sa first episode. So, hindi na natin
okay, sige. Skip tayo doon.
Sa competition, na-represent ko ang Ireland in World Hip Hop Championships sa Los Angeles year 2006. Sumali ako, nag-audition ako actually sa Irish team. Tapos nag-compete kami dito sa Ireland, national competition, and then we won. Ako lang yung Pinoy on that part.
Ikaw lang Pinoy.
So, that's my first time na makarating sa Amerika, and that's my first time na actually manalo sa national team. I think ako lang yung lalaki, ako lang yung Pinoy, and all my crews are female dancers. I think it's all 8 of all of us. Wala kami, malo. So, no, the story is nung nakarating kami sa LA, as in grabe. Uso pa rin kasi nandun yung pa rin yung alam mo yung fresh pa rin yung You Got Served, di ba?
Yes, panahon mo yun, men.
Yeah.
Iba, di na alam yun. Yung ngayon, di na alam yun.
So, watch it, You Got Served. Nandun, as in, I think Jabberwockies was famous on that time, but until up to now, and America's Best Dance Crew actually is on that trend, is on that era, on that season. This is the best part is, kalaban ko, kalaban na, di ba, buong mundo nga, World Hip Hop Championship. I think for me, 80%, every country has a Pinoy dancer. Like, no lie. Sa Italy, Germany, Mexico, of course, and then so on and so on. Then, na-meet ko, that's my first time I meet the Philippine All-Star. Yes. Nice. On that year, I think that's the first year na nanalo sila sa adult division.
Okay. Ay, bakit? Kasi sa like hindi sila yung ano ba tawag doon? Mega crew, yun ba yun?
No.
Ito pa yung small crew pa lang.
Small crew, so adult division, which is 8, maximum of 8 dancers.
Okay.
So, yun, magkakalaban kami, and then doon ko na-meet yung mga...
Nakalaban mo talaga sila yung time na yun?
Oo.
Okay.
The OG.
Balikan nga natin sa nasa YouTube ba yung video mo na yun? Nakasama mo yung
I think if you type 2006 Philippine All-Star World Hip Hop Championship.
Hindi, yung kayo.
Hindi. Yung kami, yun, yung the story is yun, na lumaban kami, and then hindi kami nanalo. But the best part of this is it's bring honor and to serve Ireland with my talent. So, yun
Yes.
yung way ko na the reason na sumali ako is the way of saying thank you. Na maibalik ko sa Ireland, not financially. Alam mo yon,
Yes.
but through my
Yes.
talent. Na
Yes.
at least kahit paano makatulong ako because
Yes.
the government of Ireland opened their doors to the Filipinos on that time. Until up to now.
Tama.
I came here actually through what you call it? Not visa, working visa.
Working visa ka
2002.
pa nun. So, ang dami mo rin, no? Ang dami mong inasikasong documents para lang magawa mo yung paglipad, pagsali, and everything. Sa audition mo, ilang kayo nag-audition dun, time na yun?
Madami.
Madami.
Actually, hundreds.
Hundreds?
Oo.
So, ilang lang kayo sa team na yun or sa group na yun?
Sa group, 8. So,
Walo.
basically, actually 6 months before nagkakaroon na ng qualification, ng qualifying round. And then ayun, I take my chances and then I get qualified. And on that time na yun, marunong pa ako mag-tricks. Nagti-tricks pa rin naman ako kaso
hindi na kasi dami.
Hindi na kasi
mahina na, hindi na matanda, mahina na.
Yeah, mahina na rin. Until up to now, I can still do tricks, but back handspring na lang ako, kaya backflip.
Simple na lang, hindi na yung buhos buhay na tumbling.
Oo, hindi na tayo si Ben Tumbling eh.
Hindi na.
And then, to move forward, actually, yun. Unfortunately, hindi kami nakapasok sa semifinals, which is, that's okay. Experience, actually, na-meet mo yung, nandun ka sa world stage, that's a big honor. And then, to represent Ireland, but I'm still proud as a Pinoy, regardless, and then, 2008, bumalik kami. Ayun, kalaban namin ulit ang All-Star, kalaban namin ulit in the world. And then, of course, hindi rin kami nakapasok. Ireland didn't get a chance to get through. That's okay. And then 2012, bumalik kami. Now, this is with all Filipino crew, mega crew na, 2012.
Ito na yung mega crew, 2012. Okay. Dumami na.
Infinite Dance crew. Ngayon, kilala mo na yung mga yun.
Sino ba yun?
Yung mga submerge.
Sino ba sila?
Sino yung mga submerge na yan? Yung mga
nag-submerge.
Sakit sa ulo yung mga yan.
Hamatay ka sa ulo.
And here's the thing, right? Mega Crew 2012, qualifier sa Ireland. So, yun kami, all Filipino. I think we have some some dancers na from Eastern European.
Yes.
I think I remember. And then there's one Irish actually. His name is Thomas. I remember that guy. Yes.
Okay. Hindi ba dalawa o tatlo? Sa Infinite? Ikaw naman.
No. One Irish, one Lithuanian, and one Slovakian. So there's 3 dancers from...
Sa Infinite to, di ba? Sinasabi mo?
Infinite.
Di ba kasama
lumaban sa LA.
Sa LA? Hindi ba kasama...
Sa Las Vegas, sorry. Las Vegas.
Hindi ba kasama si Sarah Lewis ba yung Irish? Hindi ba yun? Nakita ko sa video. Okay, anyways.
Lumaban sila. Dito sila, I think sumali sila sa sa national. Pero...
okay. Hindi sila nakalipad.
Hindi sila nakalipad.
Okay, gets ko na.
So, I think there's a time na nag-replace ako ng dancers. Ayun, tsaka kaya nakasama si Baloloid. Kasama si Baloloid nun? Kasama si Lloyd nun.
Ano siya? Siya yung harap ng pintuan.
So, yun. Pero ito yung istorya. Dito sa national competition sa Dublin.
Yes.
Ayun, hindi naman kami nanalo, pero nakasama kami sa top 3.
So, hindi kayo nanalo, pero pumasok kayo sa top 3. Okay,
kasi
continue.
Yung top 3, allow kang lumaban. Pag top 3 ka sa Ireland, allow kang lumaban sa Mega Crew Division.
Okay.
Rules yon. So, per country, they can represent 3 groups per country. So, yun. Buti na nakapasok kami sa top 3.
Mm.
Infinite Dance Crew.
Oo,
So,
congratulations.
oo,
Hindi ko
at
pa
ang
nasabi
maganda
sa ito before, no? Congratulations, guys. Ngayon
ang
ko lang sinabi.
maganda nun is 80% Pinoy, represent Ireland.
Yes, oo. Hindi, I know the story naman nung ano, nung pero hindi ko alam yung behind the story nung mga nangyari. Kasi alam ko there's a lot of sweat and tiredness and lahat-lahat financially din kasi that's
Oo.
it, 'di ba? You did everything. Siyempre, pag studio pa nga lang dito, ang hirap na mag-book, magbabayad ka pa. Hindi papunta yung LA, you don't have enough finance, More likely, ewan ko kung ano maginawa ng Ireland. Nagbigay ba sila ng ano?
Wala. No, we don't.
Wala.
Actually, chip in. Walang
Mm.
sponsor kasi hindi naman to kasi
Mm.
government, hindi naman kasi siya
Yeah.
private, kasi siya competition alam mo
Yes,
yun.
okay. Talagang ano
So,
lang, gusto nyo lang talaga, dedicated kayo, kaya
walang
itinuloy niyo.
sponsor. So, ang ginawa ng mega crew, ng
Mm.
group, it's
Mm.
either busking sa Grafton Street,
Mm. Yes.
tapos, ano ba, fundraising,
Yes.
backpacking sa mga shopping center.
Yes.
Alam mo yun, yung mga di ba sa Pilipinas, yung mga bagger sa
Yes.
groceries, may bayad yun, di
Yes.
ba? Dito, walang
Yes.
So,
Nag-ano lang, contribute lang kayo para kung sino magbigay.
and here's the thing, kilala mo si Marvin? A shout out to Marvin
Oh yeah,
Castellon.
unique. Oh,
So, yun,
club travel, yeah.
Club Travel,
Is
yeah,
it?
shout out to him, yeah. So,
Uh-huh.
Marvin, isa pa rin yun na magandang interview when it comes to travel.
Oo, next time si Kuya Marvel, baka magkaroon tayo ng discount.
Yeah, actually, he's been here in
Mm-mm.
Ireland for like what, donkey years. Like, oh my goodness, like but he looks
Yes.
young.
Mm-mm.
May cut off, actually, naka-discount kami sa kanya. So
Mm-mm.
imagine, this is 13 dancers, 13 I think
Yes.
13 dancers are flying. An hour before kasi isang oras na lang mawawala na yung discount.
Okay.
So, sabi ni Marvin, Don, kailangan just say 5 p.m. Kailangan nandito kayo sa agency. Dalhin niyo yung pera.
Mm-mm.
This is the time na we are allowed to pay cash. Alright?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
sabi ko doon sa grupo, guys, kailangan 5 p.m. May, it's either lahat kayo may, I think, 800 to 900 euro each or
Wow.
something like that.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
So, exactly 10 minutes before 5 p.m. nakapunta kami ron. Dala namin yung bucket coins.
My God.
Oh.
Really?
Yes. And
What?
I remember kasi wala si Marvin noon, yung time niya wala siya doon.
Wala pa, oh.
As in like, unfortunately Kuya Marvin is not here, so we deal with other
Mm-mm.
person.
Yes.
Nagkaroon pa nga ng drama kasi nga like
Okay.
dala namin buckets and something
Yeah.
like that. But there is a memo na the group of kids or youths or any dancers
Yes.
na lilipat, kailangan nilang bayaran. So, andun, dala namin yung buckets, coin. Nagbibilang kami doon hanggang inaabot kami ng alas 7.
Talaga yung gusto nyo talaga. Yun yung sinasabi ng gusto nyo ma-pursue yung dream nyo. Kahit gaano kahirap. Okay.
I think yung kakasama kami. Sino ba kasama? I think I remember si Lloyd,
Yeah.
si GM, I think CJ. Ayun,
Yeah.
as in, I think I remember marami, half of the dancers nandun.
Yes.
As in, grabe. And it's a great,
Yeah.
actually experience na,
Yes. Yeah.
through that experience,
Yeah.
tatawanan mo na lang, pag
True.
in the past, it's like after 10 years, oh my goodness, you remember that story. Now, these days, you can't do that. You cannot go to the agency with coins.
Coin. Revolut na.
Kasi nga, mura. Alam mo yon. I
Oo.
think, nakamura kami noong time na yon. And,
Okay.
of course,
Big
wala
help.
namang kasing sponsor. So, and
Mm-mm.
kaya, thank you na rin kay Kuya Marvin kasi,
Yeah.
through him, naka-discount kami sa flights.
Mm-mm.
And then, of course, yung kami nag-shoulder ng hotels namin. And
Yes.
then, ng flights. Pero yun, alam mo yun, ang kagandahan, nung pumunta kami doon, nung nakalipad na kami, fast forward, may family and friends kasi ako sa LA. So, and then the church sa LA, tinulungan din kami.
Yes.
So,
Wow.
dinala kami sa Disneyland. Dinala kami sa Universal.
Disneyland pa kayo dyan?
Oo, nakapag-Disneyland pa kami. Dinala
Kayo
kami sa
na.
Universal Studio. Tapos
Yes.
yung nakapag-swimming pa kami dun kasi nga yung tinirahan namin
Yes.
is a family friend. They
Ah,
allow
okay.
us to stay for a week. So that
Okay,
saved us money for hotels.
Wow.
And then
Talagang blessing yun.
nung nasa Las Vegas kami, nagstay kami sa motels.
Motel kayo pero Vegas na 'to?
Oo, Vegas. So, mudas
Oo,
naman €80 €80 per
per day?
day.
Per week? Okay,
So, and then nag-spend naman kami doon actually. No, no, actually not €80. Sorry, apologies. $40 a night or something
okey,
like
okey.
that. Oo, oo. So,
Per day.
mura pa rin, mura pa rin.
Oo,
Per
oo.
room. So, dinivide namin. So,
Yes,
nakatipid din kami. So,
that's good.
oo, makikita mo naman siguro sa Facebook ng Submerge before, makita mo 'yun,
Yeah.
paano nung maglalaba kami nagpupunta kami ng laundry area.
Yes.
Alam mo 'yun,
Yes.
tapos may
Coins.
van kami, may
Okay.
minivan kami na nakahiram kami sa mga Pinoy, kulay blue. Ayun, kinaka-car wash namin 'yun. So, inad
Talagang sikap 'no, nung sumikap
no!
kayo na matustusan, mailipad, makuha 'tong ganito kasi gusto niyong dance kahit anong paraan. Tapos may mga taong nasa mga magandang loob na tumulong, family mo, friends and everybody. Kumbaga nag-join talaga na matupad yung gusto ng mga bata. Yun yung nangyari nung
Yes,
time na yon, 'di ba?
I'm
Kaya
so
anything
happy
ano mangyari,
actually.
oo,
I'm so
'di
happy
ba?
that like, those Indios, sorry, not Indios, sorry, that's my first, Indios,
Iba na naman
that's
group yun 'no?
Infinite Dance Crew, alam mo yon, I think most of them, all of them never been to America before.
Kung
Now,
hindi yung iba nag-Amerika pero hindi about dancing more
no,
likely. It's about
no, no,
family and
no,
travel mga gano'n, 'di ba?
yeah.
Yun yun.
So I think I think for me it's the best experience.
Yeah.
Ayun, tapos nagturo kami sa mga kids doon. So a week
Okey.
before competition, nandun na kami sa LA.
Mm.
Nagtumulong not only hindi yung mga nag-ano kami, work in between. So tinulungan
Mm.
namin yung may isang church doon sa LA, Anaheim Heights, I think I remember, or Heights. Anyway,
Mm.
nag-workshop kami. And
Mm.
then at the same time, yung trading on, okay, we'll give you a free stay and then you'll teach our
Yeah.
kids. And then, yung mga youth, yun, doon
Mm.
nagkaroon ng networking. And doon kami
Hmm.
alam mo yun, doon kami nakatipid. And that's nothing.
Yes.
And I think that's great actually kasi marami kang
Yes.
nakapunta kami ng Hollywood Hills. Well, nakapunta na ako doon pero sila
Yes.
nadala ko din sila sa yung
Sa,
Hollywood.
yung name mo, oo.
Yung experience hindi mo matutumbasan ng pera yun.
Hindi.
You
Yung time na
cannot
ginamit mo.
priceless. No, priceless yun.
Mm.
Kahit ba sabihin mong marami kang pera pero yung
Yeah.
time na kasama mo yung tropa mo, yung dance crew mo,
Yes.
alam mo yun? And sama-sama sila sa isang room.
Yes.
Masarap balikan.
Oo. Kumbaga ano dun, ito yung isa sa mga big achievement more likely sa dancing 'no? Ito yung
Mm.
pinaka parang naging highlights mo. Siyempre bukod yung before nun, sumabak ka as Irish na Filipino na nag-dance, pero yun nga hindi kayo nanalo pero yung continuous ka pa rin and then dumating yung chance na na-represent mo naman yung buong almost 80% ng Pinoy isinama mo and then ito yung mga experience na gusto mong i-share sa mga dancer mo, yung mga sumasayaw sa'yo na I have to yung hindi lang ako yung gusto mong ma-experience yung ganitong saya, sa saya ng pagsasayaw, yung ma-experience yung having a big family like this, na nabigay mo sa kanila kaya more likely yung mga crew mo is talaga masaya sila, nakangiti umuwi kahit ano man yung nangyari dun sa dance competition, win-win na yun, eh, gets
Yes.
mo?
I agree. I agree. I agree.
Mm.
And then I do believe they made a positive impact into their
Mm.
lives as well.
Of course.
Alam mo ng kagandahan ng sumasali sa dance crew,
Mm.
nade-develop ang discipline mindset or mentality.
Tama.
Karamihan ng dancers, it's a fact na karamihan ng galing sa dance crew or yung simulang pagkabata mo, for example, teenager ka,
Mm.
tapos sumali ka sa dance crew, and then fast forward, nag-adult ka na, meron ka ng work, na-apply mo yung experience mo as a dancer.
True.
Ito yung hindi na ituturo sa schools. Ito yung hindi na ituturo
Mm.
sa college.
Mm.
Yung team player, being a team player, and character.
Yun.
Character is the
Mm.
main thing. I've met a lot of talented peoples in my life. But yung
Mm.
character nila is negative character. Na may
Negative.
pagkamahangin, may pagkamayabang, or
Yes.
something, it goes to their heads.
Yeah,
They will not last.
of
They
course.
said no man is an island. Of course, you always have to be a team player. and respect the people behind you,
Mm.
inspire the people in front of you.
Mm.
So,
Mm.
that kind of thoughts. So,
Oo.
yeah.
So, oo, hindi kasi ang ganda nung istorya na sinabi mo and, before tayo mag-move on sa next, question ko, gusto ko lang malaman kung ano yung nangyari sa Infinite after ng competition, saan ba kayo nag-ano, rank sa Hip Hop International nung time na yun?
Oh, okay. Nakapasok kami sa, hindi kami nakapasok sa semis, pero I
Mm.
think we are on the, kasi 50 or 60 countries. Nandun
Mm.
kami sa between 20 to 30
20 to
ranking.
30. Yes.
Yeah, between
So,
20 30.
it's a big achievement bukod sa'yo, sa mga dinala mong, sa crew mo at sa Ireland and Filipino yung nangyaring 20 to 30. Although, for all I know, kasi on that day kasi siyempre naka-connect ako kay Jeric, kila Lloyd, yung sa mga yan, sa mga submerged din. Kung kinakamusta ko sila kahit madaling araw, "Kamusta na? Ano na kayo? Kayo ba susunod? Sasayaw na ba kayo?" Gising ako madaling araw kasi I'm keeping track dun sa performance niyo kung nasang rank na kayo, if may mga live. Alam ko, hindi ko sure kung may live yata no'n, yung time sa Hip Hop
Meron.
International.
Oh, I think I remember
Oh,
that. Yeah.
so pinanood ko yun kahit madaling araw kasi I want to see yung parang kahit wala ako dun, yung presence ko na mapanood ko yun, masaya na rin ako dun at nagawa niyo lahat 'to. So, I think kung di ako 21 o 22 yata kung hindi ako nagkakamali. I'm so happy nung nakita ko yung rank niyo kahit nandun kayo sa rank na yun. It's very hard to be on that place
Mm.
kasi sa sobrang dami ng, dancer, group na magagaling din.
Ay,
Kayo
super.
nag-stay kayo sa mega crew pa 'to, mega crew marami kayo, eh. So it's really hard 'di ba to handle a big group na
Yeah.
magsabay-sabay, mag-perform mag-sync, 'di ba? Ang hirap pero you did well. Yun ang masabi ko, congrats, you did well.
Thank you. Thank
Thank you
you.
for being, their paano ba, tatay?
Oh, I forgot. Before I forgot,
Hmm.
2011, I think another awards that I got, out of this is not
Mm.
included, hindi siya kasama sa World Hip Hop Championship, is sa Ireland naman
Mm.
is,
Mm.
I won a choreographer of the year, Dance
Oh,
Masters.
damn. Dance master.
So
Oh, yeah,
I
I
think
think I
that's
see that as well, yeah.
2011, I think. Yes. So
Mm.
after nung competition yun, I think wala na sumunod eh.
Mm.
So I'm the last
Mm.
reigning choreographer.
So,
2011.
reigning champion. Wala nang sumunod na Pinoy
Wala na sumunod.
na
Ayun. So,
sumabak sa gano'n, oo.
that's
It's good.
2011. Think
Oo,
about that.
pero
That's after
still man,
14
is
years.
oo, kasi nasa iyo pa rin yung plaque na yun or trophy na or
uh,
whatever. Yun nga, ang next na question ko kasi, yun nga experience which is nasabi mo na yung experience more likely is dami na, dami mong nalagpasan, dami mong natutunan at sa mga bata rin. Pero ayun nga, so susunod ko rin tatanong sa'yo, sabi mo kasi last mo na. Ito na ba talaga yung magiging last mo na ano ba, sumali sa ganitong competition or meron ka bang naiisip na parang another dance group na may ganong vibes na parang susunod na magiging Irish team na dance crew na ilalaban sa hip-hop? Meron pa bang sumunod na gano'n? Or ano ba plano mo in the future kung sakali man?
you never say never. That's
Mm.
always I remember. So if someone asks
Mm.
me, kailan ka mag-retire?
Mm.
Depends on what type of retirement you wanna do. Never say
Oo.
never. There's still a part of my heart now. Of course, through my age,
Mm.
physically I can't compete anymore.
Mm.
But there's still I'm still passionate of building a group of
Mm.
I think Filipinos. I'm waiting
Okey.
because sana
Okey.
merong mga Pinoy dito sa
Yes.
Ireland na, because you cannot force somebody. Hindi
Mm.
mahirap ano ba tawag yun? Kailangan volunteer.
Yes.
Ah,
Hindi lang
you
yung parang
cannot
ano lang, hindi lang parang gusto lang ng parents na, "Oh, sumayaw ka nga dun, wala ka namang ginagawa
yeah.
kung nasa bahay ka lang, sumayaw ka na nga lang dun." Hindi puwedeng gano'n. Kailangan din talagang may ano siya, dedicated siya sa mga ganyan, gusto niya talaga.
Yes. I agree with you. Totally agree on what you said about volunteering.
Mm. Mm.
Recall ko lang yung question mo about
Mm.
kung meron pa ba kung may ano ba tawag doon? Nalimutan ko na yung Tagalog doon. Meron pa ba akong heart sa pagturo
Oo,
or
yun.
pag competition?
Oo.
Yes, of
Oo.
course. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
I still want to be part of it. Like because
Mm.
kasi meron akong yung experience ko,
Mm.
I do believe I have some unique style. Filipinos have
Yes.
unique style. When I say I, it means Pinoy, okay?
Pinoy.
So, Filipino has a unique style when it comes to
Yeah.
creativity in dancing, especially
Yes.
in hip hop and
Mm.
street dancing. So,
Mm.
yeah, of course, kung meron man isang grupo or a group of Filipino
Yeah.
youth na gustong mag-engage at gustong sumali or they want to start to do it again and again, to do it again or compete for World Hip Hop Championship, yeah, let me know.
Open ka. Oo,
Oh,
open book
yes,
ka
yes,
kumbaga sa maturuan sila,
yes.
mabigyan sila ng experience. So guys, yun narinig niyo na coming from Don King. So sobrang kasi tagal na nating wala, yeah, yung good time natin. Ngayon wala na rin ako nakikitang mga Pinoy na nagda-dance. Meron, ito yung next question ko, meron ako nakikita mga dancer pero yung talagang proper dance yung kailangan natin. Hindi yung TikTok versus choreographer. Yun yung next na tanong ko eh. Kasi yun nga, babalikan muna natin yung wala nang tumuloy nung ginawa nyo. Okay? Wala nang mga Pinoy or mga kabataan na sumasayaw na ngayon na talagang choreo na yung sabi mo nga galing sa puso, yung gusto talaga nila. Wala na eh, no? Na parang wala na rito sa Ireland eh. Hindi na nag-boom. Parang na-dissolve. Pero hopefully, someday, may makita tayo diyan. So baka may mga nanonood diyan na may mga talent kasi marami ng talent ang singing dito sa Ireland. Naglabasan na. Mga banda naglabasan na. Pero dancing, yun, pag-iiwanan tayo mga Pinoy sa dancing dito sa Ireland. Pero kung meron man, ito na yung pagkakataon nyo, message nyo ako, mag-comment kayo. Si Don King, nandyan. Yung mga parents dyan nanonood, baka may mga natatagong talented, mga anak. So, why not i-continue natin yung legacy na ginagawa ni Don King, ginagawa namin nung time na yun until now na talagang dancing is part of, ano ba dancing? Kasi alam ko yung break dancing naging part na ng Olympics. Ang
Hmm.
dancing ba na ganyan, mga hip-hop dance, hindi ba sila magiging parang Olympic na rin?
Oo nga eh. Well, speaking of breaking, so kasi
Mm,
I just wanna make sure na we're saying
mm,
the right word. Kasi the history is I was been told na pag sinabi mong breakdancing, it's a
mm.
commercialized. So
Okay,
dun sa mga makikinig, they called breaking. So hindi
breaking.
breakdancing.
Hindi naman,
And
okay.
this is from the right term
Mm,
coming from the
mm,
OG and then the
mm.
foundation. So, yeah, actually last year, 'di ba, sa Olympic nakita natin na
Yeah.
breaking nga na actually naging part pa ako ng Team Ireland pero in the
Mm,
administration side, not
okay.
coaching, not because I'm not a breaker myself. I have
Mm,
some foundations, of course, but
mm,
no, kasi kailangan mo ng community and
mm,
but anyway, the question is about hip hop. There is a talk, for
mm.
what I've heard, na maybe in the near future makita natin there is now that breaking is possible.
Yes.
Actually sa 2028 wala nang breaking. They cancel it. Alam mo 'yun?
Okay,
No
okay.
more. Just only this year,
Talaga?
only last year.
Dahil sa nangyaring event ng breaking last time?
Na from
Yun ba
Australia?
yun? Yeah.
Hindi, hindi, hindi. No, I
Okay,
do think because the rules, because it's very vast,
okay.
for me, for what I've seen, ang hirap i-judge nito kasi two individuals.
Mm,
So, I don't know. Don't take my words into it, no? Kasi wala pa akong valid source. So, delikado
mm.
naman pag I say something
Oo,
na hindi siya valid.
true.
Pero for all I know, in 2028, which is the Olympics is in LA,
Mm,
walang breaking.
walang
Now,
breaking.
fingers crossed, sabi nung iba, I heard, maybe
Yeah.
there's a hip hop. But you know
Mm,
what? I think it's possible kasi mas
yes.
synchronized siya, mas parang may sa swimming pool, yung
Yeah, yeah,
synchronized
true, true. Yun nga, oo.
alam mo yon. So, there is a possibility in dancing na
Mm,
that could happen.
puwede.
And if that's the case, the youth always remember, this is all about for the young people. For me, the way I see it, yung investment ng Olympic is
Yeah.
for young people na
Yes.
maka-engage sila, makasali sila or ano ba naman yung get into the Olympics.
Yes.
Alam mo yon,
To
get into
represent
the
their
Olympics. Yes, yes.
Yes.
So alam mo yon, imagine pag may
Yeah.
hip hop sa Olympics, that would be great.
Oo, syempre. Tagal na rin naman kasi na ang dancing is hindi nagiging part. Yun nga, yung Olympics, yung breaking nga, doon ko lang okay, meron na pala talaga. Kasi, alam mo, dati wala namang gano'n, ngayon meron. So, ni-recognize nila yun. So, why not? Baka magkaroon dahil
Oo.
hip-hop dancing is, parang yung sinasabi mo kanina, yung tawag doon sa swimming na yun, nagsisynchronize sila ng dancing, ganyan.
Di ba?
So, if they can do it in water, they can do it in land. Mo, in the ground.
Exactly.
Diba? Well, we'll see. We'll see to 2028. Baka maglabasan, baka ma-approve. Pero, yeah. So, next topic natin, TikTok. You're a big fan of probably, di ka naman big fan, pero alam mo yung TikTok more likely.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
then,
yeah.
versus choreographer. So, TikTok, super easy. Diba? Super easy, lahat makakaalam. 1 minute, less than 1 minute, they know the step. Because super simple. Yun dun siya nakiklik. Pero for you, tatawagin mo ba siyang dancing? As a choreographer?
Well, depends on the context of what is definition of what is dancing is. Alam mo yun. So, kumbaga sabihin natin na let's the topic of professional dancer. So, what is a professional dancer? A professional dancer is there is a history of it. Na yung bang ito bang dancer na to nanggaling ba siya sa dance college? Na nag-take ba siya ng scholarship or they undergo like dance exam? So if it's yes, yun, we call themselves a dance professional kasi may foundation.
May foundation.
From ballet, contemporary, jazz, and then not only physically but mentally as well. Because you have to understand the anatomy of your body na alam mo kung ano yung stretching. Alam mo kung paano ka alam mo anong muscles ang ginagamit mo. And that's the importance of the study of dancing. Ako wala ako experience. Hindi ako naka-experience na pumasok sa dance schools. That's because I'm a street dancer. It's cheaper. Walang bayad. But if you want to be the best, you have to invest your time and money. And I know in the long run, the achievement is rewarding kasi nga, pag naging professional dancer ka, and here's my experience, once you have a training, once you have a technical background in dancing, makakapasok ka sa you can get in a musical gig, like stage in London, in New York, in the West End. So, dahil kasi nga, may pinaghirapan mo yun eh. Alam mo yun, parang sa doktor. Alam mo yun? So, how can you operate a surgeon? You're a surgeon. So, alam mo yun. So, you need to have a specific degree for you to understand what is your career is. Anyway, fast forward, there is a foundation. That's what I call professional dancers. Now, TikTok is about now, because we are in the era of technology, of social media, it's all about views. Regardless, makikita mo ang daming magagaling sumayaw, but they decide to do it easy. They decide to go nonchalant, they call it. They decide to kasi nga that's where the trend is. In TikTok, the easier the better kasi it's not about the foundation eh. It's about the views. Now, there's two types. Some TikTokers do it for views because they get revenues. Correct? Some TikTokers do it for the views para lang makasali sa trend kasi they're selling some products as influencers. So, ang nangyayari ngayon is everybody's going to the left. It doesn't matter if it's bad effect to your body or whatever. It doesn't matter kung negative effect nito. Basta, yun yung trending eh. Sige, sali tayo. So, ang nangyayari ngayon, nagiging nagiging, ano ba tawag doon? Nagiging normalized na as a TikTok dancers, dancer yan. Kasi sa TikTok. But I'm not against with TikTok dancers. Don't get me wrong. They have everyone has a reason kaya sila sinasayaw itong TikTok. Like sometimes nagte-trend, sometimes nakikisali ako sa challenge. Pero I'm not a TikTok dancer kasi nga ngayong TikTok dancers meron silang groove. And
Yeah.
I don't understand this groove. I tried before na hindi ko makuha. Meron silang groove and maybe because of my age. And again, that's not my era. That's not
maybe
what. Yeah, I came from an old school background.
yes.
I know hip hop, popping, and locking. If I do my locking, in the TikTok, for example, I think mahirap sabayan kasi nga sa TikTok, pag madali yung step, mas magiging viral kasi maraming makakasabay.
Yes.
Naget mo ako. Maraming nakakasabay. Pero the big question is, are you labeling them as a professional dancers?
Nga.
That's the big question. Ang TikTok, so sa akin, until now, question pa rin to So paano ko ba malilabel ang TikTok dancers na professional? Well, here's the thing, you cannot change the history.
Yes.
You cannot change history. Go back to the foundation. Go back to the foundation. Do your homework. Go to workshops. Go to dance college or don't go to dance schools. Like, label and then graduate to that dance schools. Alam mo yun? So that's the reason, that's the way of being a professional dancer is not in front of like the iPhones or the Samsung or the camera.
Yes.
And then so but again, in the positive side, nakakatulong ang TikTok. Alam mo yun, to encourage everybody. Like it's so many good benefits. It's so many positive benefits of TikTok. It's all up to individual. How will they call themselves? Are you a professional? Well, to define professional, do you know how to do ballet? Do you have experience in doing jazz, contemporary, modern, or like So those are the people that you call them professionals because they work hard for it. At the end of the day, you cannot change the history.
Totoo yun.
Work hard.
Totoo, hindi, tama. Good explanation yun sa mga taong tatanong, siyempre. Na hindi naman nila alam kung, tatawagin ko ng ano yun kasi nagtasayaw sa TikTok. Oh, dancer yun. Alam mo yun? Kasi ganun maririnig mo. Pero like, makes sense naman na you have to be in the foundation. You have to be, kumbaga sa baba, foundation muna until gradually you grow up with it. Then kung magkaroon ka ng degree about dancing or arts, whatever, yun, malilabel mo talaga siya na dancer talaga. Pero
and here's another thing. Sorry to cut you there.
No, it's okay.
Pag ang isang dancers walang foundation, ang daling mag-collapse. And that's the fact. Like, for example, a TikTok dancers get viral for one night and get million views. Like that. Right now, it's easy to happen dito, di ba? Ngayon, this era. Gawin mo lang yung sa napapanood ko to, dami sa mga Pinoy trend yung kay Sarah Hinori mo, alam mo yun, yung this
yes,
it's fun.
True.
And it goes viral, right?
It's diba? Doon ka magugulat, like it's not a proper dance, but it's kind of like he's doing a dance in this famous song, but it clicks one night, diba, na talagang naging viral siya. Ikaw as a professional dancer, let's say, gumawa ka ng isang sayaw, walang manonood, ang hirap mo kasi sundan. At hindi siya ganun naka-vibe para sa akin. Well, sabi mo, different era din kasi talaga. Depende yan. Ngayon masyadong napakadali. Pero it makes sense. It makes sense. Everything makes sense naman talaga. Pero hindi nga natin malilabel. In the future siguro makikita natin. Kasi for sure, hindi lang naman na TikTok ang magiging last ng dancing ganyan. Kasi hindi lang naman dancing ang TikTok. There's a lot. Video, whatever.
It will be a
pero
pace.
More likely.
Si Sarah, just to make it sure that I correct myself, si Sarah Geronimo ba yung kumanta nun?
I think so. I believe so.
So
Yeah.
comment on the box if we're
Kaya
wrong.
comment na lang kayo kung mali kami.
Correct us.
Kasi
But
parang may nakita akong video nun eh.
uh,
Na si Sarah yata nag-live performance. Tapos kinuha niya yung batang yon
uh,
sa stage na siya yung sumayo ng yung choreo, yung ano na yun, yung choreo at yung mismong intro na yun or kung ano man yung ano sa line na yun sa kanta. Ginawa niya yun eh. So I think it's Sarah who
that's good.
sing that.
Now, I'm gonna agree what you said there na hindi lang naman ito ang the last platform
Mm-mm.
when it comes to trending in dancing. But
Yeah.
all I can say is it doesn't matter how old you are. If you have a
Mm-mm.
foundation in any
Mm.
forms of dance, you will last till the
Mm-mm.
end of your life. Marami,
Totoo.
at the moment, TikTok, maybe in the next 10 years, there's another apps again.
Mm-mm.
But you will never ever fade away. Hindi ka malalaos kasi yung foundation mo is solid.
Tama,
And
tama, tama, tama.
that's all I can say.
Thank you for that. Thank you for that. Eh ngayon, kasi nasampit mo kanina eh, yung about yung ibang choreographer, ginagamit na rin ang TikTok
Mm.
as a revenue or it's just for, getting viral para marami pa siya makuwang mga dancer. Pero para sa iyo, may pera ba sa dancing?
Of course, yes, yes, yes. A
May
big
pera.
yes.
A
May
big yes.
pera, may pera. Now go back to what I
Mm-mm.
said about being a doctor. 10 years of
Mm-mm.
studying, and then you graduated, and then you get your career. Nasa hospital ka na, and
Yes.
you start operating. That's the
Yes.
time that you get earn money. The same thing in dancing. Na
Mm-mm.
of course, may pera, pero depende kung
Mm-mm.
pinaghirapan mo naman yung talent mo.
Mm-mm.
Now,
Totoo.
let's talk about I don't know, we have to separate a TikTok dancers kasi ang dami nga yung TikTok dancers na
Mm.
sa revenue. Marami
Mm.
because of the technology.
Mm-mm.
Am I right saying that? Kasi alam mo
Yes.
yun, madaling ito sa Ireland, o sabihin natin, ang pinakamaliit na bansa, sabihin natin may isang bansa na pinakamaliit. Just say,
Mm-mm.
100,000 people yung occupation. Yeah, yung population ng isang bansa. Just
Population
say,
nila. Mm.
country A. Say, country A.
Mm-mm.
Kung country A na to, 100,000 population lang. May isang TikTok dancer dun sa country A. Nag-viral. 1 million views. Right?
Mm.
So, paano mo 1 million views yun, yung population naman ng bansa niya is only 100,000.
100.
Alright?
Mm-mm.
The reason is because, for example, if your videos is in India, in China,
Mm-mm.
in third world country,
Mm-mm.
di ba? Yun ang pinag-uusapan eh. It doesn't matter kung saan ka galing, kung saan napapanood yung platform mo eh. Kung saan ka napapanood. So, why I'm mentioning this? Because TikTok dancers are clever.
Mm-mm.
They don't care about there's like, hindi ko kailangan maging famous sa country ko. I need views mapanood dun sa mga country na maraming tao. So, that's what they get revenue. Now, go back to what I said, may pera ba? Yes, there is money. As experience, I'm a full-time dance teacher,
dancer,
professional dancer, performer, actor, and most of the time, most of my revenue actually come from dancing. Dance fitness instructor, dance choreographer, acrobatic teacher, working in the gyms. This all connected to dance. And I pay my mortgage every month. So my wife, she's not working at the moment. She's taking a career break. We have meron kaming 6-year-old daughter. Her name is Mia. So, and then we have bills to pay monthly. The reason I'm saying this is saan ko nakukuha yun? Paano ko kukuha? Saan ko nakukuha yung pera? Hindi ako nangutang. But because I work every day. I work at least some maximum every day, like Monday till Saturday, I teach twice or 3 times. And then some gigs in Ireland or some in the schools, some invitations. I'm thankful na nag-invest ako sa Ireland. I invest my name, I invest my talent. I promote myself na si Don King ay isang dancer sa Ireland. That was 10 years ago, 20 years ago. And then now, I'm just only reaping the benefits. So, there is...
Pinag-ipunan mo yun eh.
Yes. So, again, it's not a one-night success.
Mm.
There's no such thing as a one night success. Oh, there is, but it won't last. It won't last.
Yes.
So, and that's what I call foundation. So,
Mm.
foundation equals money. You
Kaya
will,
kumbaga walang shortcut.
now
Kumbaga
that's
walang
it.
short, 'di ba?
Exactly. There's no shortcut in making money. Hold upper yung kung
Mm.
tawagin mo, magrarap ka ng baka.
Yung madali ano,
Oh, madali
puwede
yan,
na diyan, oh.
snatcher.
Ngayon na, oh, gano'n 'yun, oo, may
Mandurukot.
nakita tayo, pandurukot. Hindi, yun nga, ang ganda
Scammer
ganda
kung
naman
tawagin.
ng oo, ang ganda ng experience na sinabi mo sa'min. Ang dami kong natutunan, ang dami din siguro maraming viewers na natutunan dun sa mga sinabi mo na hindi katulad nga yung halimbawa mo nga na ano, you have to go to school to go and get a college degree and then get your proper job, career job. So ganun lang din ang dancing, sabi nga ni Don, you have to go to the lowest one until you climb up yourself na maging ito yung ano mo, name. Hindi lang talaga madali yung ginawa ni Don King kasi it takes his time to build his name, reputation, and everything. Ngayon, kilala na nga siya sa Ireland. Isa sa mga, yun nga, kilalang artista at dancer sa Ireland. Kaya, I know, like, we're so blessed to know him, guys. And I'm so blessed to still connect with him. Kahit difficult na yung aming, siyempre, matanda na kami, may family na kami, may kanya-kang buhay na kami, pero we still connected pa rin. Kasi through dancing, through basketball, through everything, and more likely, yun ang ano namin, di ba? Yun ang, like, last time na nag-usap doon, yung basketball. Di ba? Kailan natin na pag-usapan tong sayo? Last time lang.
Last.
Pero yung, di ba? Remembering everything. Yun yung kagandahan nito eh. Remembering everything. Hindi kami nawala dun sa kung saan kaming line kasi favorite naman talaga namin yung ginagawa namin.
Yeah.
Sobrang dami ko natutunan doon. Any last message, ano ba tawag doon? Pwede mong isabihin sa mga gustong sumubok as a dancer. Anong message mo sa kanila?
First things first, you have to be passionate.
Mm-mm.
It comes from the heart.
Mm-mm.
Okay na ma-inspired tayo ng
Mm-mm.
ibang tao, maka-inspire tayo sa technology, ma-inspire tayo sa TikTok o
Mm-mm.
ma-inspire
Mm-mm.
tayo by
Expired.
others.
Mm-mm.
Ma-inspire,
It's expired.
ma-influence actually.
Oo.
Ma-influence tayo nga ba. That's very important actually kasi to
Mm-mm.
see is to believe. So kailangan may makita
Yes.
muna tayo. Oh, so, I like that.
Mm.
But it has to be born inside of you na kailangan gusto mo talaga. Because if you really, really want that, you will never quit. Because
Mm-mm.
time in your life, guys, you will fall. Not because you deserve to fall, but life. That's life. Life is a
Mm-mm.
roller coaster. They call it. Life happens.
Mm-mm.
It's nothing to. They said it's not about falling down, or it's nothing about staying on the ground. It's about going up.
Mm-mm.
I mentioned this before. Na when you hit the rock bottom, the only way is up.
Yep.
You know. So my advice is, if you're really, really passionate about dancing, I think for me, this is not my experience. Start going to a stage school or dance school. Start going to a community of dancers. Start involving. Start engaging. Start, because you cannot do it by yourself. It's okay to learn from YouTube. I do the same thing. I'm not gonna lie. Hindi ako magsisinungaling. I don't lie to you. Na sometimes I get steps from YouTube. I learn from YouTube. I learn in social media, because it's around us, and there's nothing
Yes.
wrong with that. Just make sure you credit the one who create that choreography, or who create that, or whoever is the creator, whoever is the original. Give them credits to them. Don't take it here because it's a scam and you just label as a liar, or you just cheating your way up, basically. So learn from others. That's the best part. And be humble, or something like your ego. Ego is out of the window.
Yeah.
I know a person who actually succeed has no ego. So nakikita naman, kilala man natin yung mga tao na kung sino yung mga sumisikat, sila pa yung
Yeah.
mababait. Because they
Yes.
learn how to struggle. They learn the struggle of life.
The struggle.
So go back to what I said. So if you really want to in the career of dancing, just start engaging, start going classes. Wag po kayong mahihiya. Go to workshops, ask questions. And because if you're in the learning era, or you're just a beginner stage,
Mm.
it's all, that's why they call it beginner stage. You have wala kang alam.
Mm.
So, pag wala kang alam, don't pretend that you know something.
Mm.
Don't be a pretender. Just say, I don't know. I don't know
Mm.
how to do it. I don't know how to dance. I don't know, but I
Mm.
love to do it. But I don't know. It's better to
Mm.
say that you don't know than
Yeah,
pretend that you
magpakatotoo.
know.
Oo, tama. Magpakatotoo tayo dun. Tama.
Exactly. And
Ah,
trust me though, and when it becomes a habit, when you become if this become your mindset and your character,
mm.
it increase your wisdom.
Mm.
It's getting, yeah, you're succeeding. That's what I'm kind of trying
Mm.
to say. So
Wow.
yeah, and then let me know. Ask questions, or
Yeah.
anything. Approach Buhay Arlan. Approach Jerome, or
Mm.
message me.
Mm.
But I'm not saying I know everything. Even though I
Mm.
have the experience, I still under process. I'm still under construction. I'm still learning, and
Mm.
that's part of the life. That's part of life, is you still learning, even
Mm.
hanggang sa huli ng yung
Wow.
buhay mo, you're still learning.
Oo. Oo. Parang gusto kong sabihin kanina dito, parang gusto niyo ba kontakin na lang siya, alam mo, gusto niyo ba ng ano, Zumba? Kailangan niyo ba ng Zumba instructor? Ito na tayo, i-hire natin siya. Pero anyways, tanong ko lang din, ano, any upcoming event, and saan ka ba nila makikita dun sa, ano ba, di ba bagong job mo to, or ito yung job mo for na fitness dance instructor ba? Tama ba?
Yeah, yeah,
Saan ka,
yeah, yes.
paano ka ba nila makukonect? Yun, yun.
Good, good. So I think Jerome will actually Buhay Arlan will tag my
Mm-mm.
FB
Yes.
page. Anyway,
Yep.
um you can reach me sa Facebook, of course.
Mm-mm.
And then I dance fitness instructor. So I
Mm-mm.
have some classes in Dublin Monday night. So to get more info, you can see it on my page. I
Mm.
actually I just post a video
Mm-mm.
on my page. You can check it out. Tapos the rest is private class now. Google, I
Mm-mm.
teach in Google. I teach in gyms in David Lloyd, in Westwood, Leopardstown, and
Mm-mm.
then I teach acrobatics in Long Mile Road. I have this
Mm-mm.
massive air floor, and then some events. There will be a massive wellness event, fitness and wellness event every May in
Mm.
Kilmainham, not
Oh,
jail, yeah, in
ano?
Kilmainham Hospital.
Yung tabi. Oo.
Yung tabi, alam mo yan.
Oo.
Every May, they call
Meron.
the Well Fest. They call it Well Fest. So
Okay.
I was one of the lineup. So this is my third time. This is my third
Mm-mm.
year of doing this. So
Mm.
hopefully, I'm still waiting for the confirmation. I'm not saying I'm gonna be part of it, but I would like to.
Mm.
But I'm still waiting. But
Mm.
check that out. And there is some TV series. I think we
Mm.
mentioned this on the first part that
Yeah.
coming up. Did we? Did we mention it?
Just mention it again. I don't think so. But anyways, just mention it.
Yeah. So it's called Harry Wild
Mm.
TV, and there's a famous actress. Her name is Jane Seymour. I was one of the featured guests. I'm a
Mm.
dancer. I don't want to say the story, but
Mm.
stay
Spoil.
tuned for that.
Mm.
I think it will
Mm.
release in March in
Okay.
America, but
Okay.
probably around June or July or September in Ireland. Who knows? But anyway,
Oh, yeah, yeah.
keep checking my page for further for more infos.
Yes.
And then at the moment, yeah, still at the meantime, hustling.
Hustling.
Keep
Yun ang
hustling.
ginagawa mo. Keep hustling lang para magkaroon ng maraming pera. Yun lang yun.
Exact. Keep
And then,
hustling.
ano ba, kung sabi mo, hustling, can they contact you? Let's say may mga gig, gusto nila ng, ano, special event or not special event, like mga wedding event or something, ganyang event.
Yeah.
Puwede ba nila ikaw makausap, ma-hire as a dancer? Baka gusto nilang dun sa event nila may magturo, mag-Zumba or anything na connected sa ano, event na yun, puwede ka ba nila i-contact, ganyan-ganyan?
Yes, yes. You can reach me anytime.
Okay.
If you need advice, or if you
Hmm,
need because now my experience, I'm an event director. I do
okey.
their own, so I direct. events. I'm an artistic director, and
Mm.
like my experience, I can do hen parties, wedding parties,
Teka lang,
spider.
pag hen party, ano to?
That's business.
Anong gagawin mo?
Hen party, I teach them how to dance. Like most hen
Okay.
parties, it's actually here in Ireland. Yes, actually, from time
Kala
to
ko
time.
farman ka dun eh.
No, no. Actually,
Ay, hindi ba?
there's one hen party that was invited that I'm invited actually this month.
Okay.
It's in Kells, I
Okay.
think Kells, yeah.
Count meet yun.
So account to me, yes. So the story is there's like 13 to 20
Mm.
hens, and I teach them
Mm.
dance in an hour. That's
Okay.
part of the program. So like that,
Ah,
that's simple as that. As once they are
mm.
like ang point naman is they enjoy their hen party. So
That's good.
yun. Sana
Ah,
kino-comedy ko naman sila. Yun.
yeah.
Pero
Di na dahil
I
sa
keep my
tawa-tawa.
clothes on. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay, okay. That's just to ano lang, to inform everybody that you have your clothes on, not off.
Yes. And then any
So,
events, actually, we miss, nawala na yung 'di ba, yung Filipino events every year. We used to have
oh,
that here. That's
actually,
it.
yes, like the Independence Day or Barrio Fiesta, something like
Yes.
that. I
Yeah.
think, yeah, I heard something about bringing it back. Actually, meron ako, igi-guess, and I think
Nice.
na-mention lang sa akin, oo, na-mention lang sa akin na parang this year parang gusto nilang ibalik yon. Pero of course, I'm not sure. Na-mention lang sa akin parang konting usap lang. Pero yun nga, gusto ko silang kausapin. Kasi kung may mga ganitong event, it could be a start. Kasi ang hirap kasi kumuha ng sponsor dito sa
Mm.
Ireland na mga, alam mo yan, so, siguro madali, pero ang hirap i-connect lahat ng mga gusto. Maraming gustong mag-sponsor, pero syempre, about money, we don't know paano ba yung
Yeah.
ano ba yan? Palakaran doon or something ganyan. Pero anyways, hopefully there will be another one like this. Kaya gusto kong iimbitahan yung ating guest next time.
Yes.
Para at least ma-inform lahat tayo dito, and then who knows, maybe you will be there as well as dance instructor doon sa event na yon. Ano mo yun? Kasi yun ang ginagawa mo, binubuhay mo yung
Mm.
mga tao kapag bored na sila. So you do this kind of dance para maano sila, 'di ba? Maging lively pa
Festivals.
yung yes, 'di ba? Yun yung mga
Festivals
ganon.
like
Yeah.
yeah, Electric Picnic. I'm
Oh,
involved in
yun.
Electric Picnic, and then
Mm.
like every year, and then
Mm.
there's one in Northern Ireland. So basically, tatayo lang ako sa harap ng tao. 100 to 100,000 people. No,
Wow,
that's too much.
dami nun.
100,000 is too much. Maybe
Konti
20,000.
lang yun, ah.
Crop.
Konti
Yeah.
lang yun.
So, yeah.
Dami yun, ah.
Yeah. And take note, this is not a Filipino event. This is an Irish event. So,
Yes. Iba rin, no? Iba rin ang Pilipino at
no,
Irish. Sino mo mas madaling
totally different.
mapasunod?
Totally
Pin-
different. Totally different.
Pinoy ba o Irish mo madaling mapasunod sumayo?
Now, madaling pasayawin ang Irish community because sometimes there's an alcohol involved.
Okay.
Right?
I get you now.
Alam mo yun? But in general,
Mm-mm.
hindi sila mahiyain.
Yes,
Alam mo
yes.
yun? They're always for a
Yes.
crack. They're always up for good
Yeah.
good times. So
Yes.
regardless of the steps, once
Yeah.
they know the songs, they are
Yeah.
up in everything. Now, compared to Filipinos, may mahiyain, pakilig.
Mm.
Ayoko, maraming nanonood. May
Yeah.
nakatingin sa akin. Magpapang...
Totoo yun, totoo. Yeah,
Alam mo yun?
totoo. Di ba? Hindi
Pero
pa nakakainom yun, ha?
pero pag
Ayaw.
sa TikTok, nakahubad na.
Oo,
Alam mo
di ba,
yun?
di ba?
But,
So,
my point,
masaya pag ganun.
yeah. So,
Be yourself, kumbaga.
be yourself. Be yourself.
Maganda yun. Hopefully, next time, makuha ko yung guest natin, tapos masabi to, and then we all gonna connect each other. And then, who knows, baka doon mag-podcast din ako ng mga
Yeah.
Pinoy na sasali doon. Who knows, di ba? So, it
Who
could be
knows?
anything, di ba? It's gonna be a good time for everybody. Ako, di na ako mahiya, makapal yung mukha ako. Sige lang, sabi ko, mag-guest ako ng mag-guest. So yun nga, so yeah, thank you so much Don for coming
Thank you din.
again to my
Salamat.
Buhay Ireland. Ako lang ba? To our Buhay Ireland. Kasama ko si Jay, which is nasa trabaho na naman siya. So yeah, maraming salamat sa time na binigay mo, and then natapos natin itong second episode. Well, second episode. Yeah, part 2 ng first episode
Part 2.
namin. Anyways, so I just wanna, before I end this, I just wanna tell people na follow us in my actually before me, ano muna si Donkey, follow nyo lang yung kanyang Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And may, I don't know, may YouTube ka ba? Wala naman.
Meron, kaso hindi active eh. Hindi
Okay,
hindi
hindi
ako
siya
active sa
active.
YouTube.
Oh, yung
Wala
sa mga
pa,
social media.
kailangan may revenue para maging active.
Yun nga hinahabol ko eh. So,
Ikaw.
so yun nga, yung mga social media, follow Don King. Ilalagay ko naman sa link dito sa YouTube and Facebook yung mga pwede nyo siyang puntahan, kontakin, and same me. Follow us in our Boy Arlan, Jay and Jerome. Ito yung kami yung mga co-host and host ng Boy Arlan. And then, ano ba to? Sa mga kababayan natin, hopefully, sa mga next episode nga natin, yung mga negosyo ng mga Pinoy ang pag-uusapan. Hopefully, may mga contact na tayo. Hopefully, ang hirap kasi ng time. Pero gagawa natin ng paraan para makontak naman at magbigay information dun sa mga gusto magnegosyo dito sa Ireland. Paano ba nila ginawa? Yung mga ganun, simple lang. Pero marami kang matututunan. And then, syempre, yung isa ko rin kasi basketball tayo. So why not try natin basketball community? Hopefully they approved me already na sige, gagis kami. So basketball community, maghintay kayo diyan mga basketball enthusiasts, tama ba? Yung mga taong to, manood kayo dito kasi marami kayong matututunan sa basketball. Marami ng mga Pinoy ang lumalaban sa Europe din. So, from Ireland. So, yun naman, marami kayong sa mga, etong 2025 is gonna be a big one for Boy Ireland. So, nagsimula lang tayo sa something maliit. Ngayon, tingnan nyo, nakidonking na tayo na who knows, baka next time, di na tayo kailangan na to. Artista na to. Kulang na lang pirma doon. Wala pa akong pirma. And then, ano ba? Yun nga, marami pa tayong pwedeng maging guest dito sa Buhay Ireland. Small, medium, and large na mga taong ano ba, sa buhay nila dito sa Ireland. Alam mo yun, lahat itatakal natin. And then, doon, napansin ko lang bago ko i-end to. May pinopromote ba yung sumkap mo?
Bakit?
Don King ba yan? Oh,
Actually it's a gift from my
Ay, sige.
last Christmas actually, Christmas,
Okay.
galing gift ng sister-in-law ng wife ko.
Kasi
Her
bagay
name
na
is
bagay sa iyo eh. Don
thank you.
King,
Her,
Lion, di ba?
yeah,
King kasi
Lion
Lion
King.
King, kumbaga. Yung, alam mo kumbaga, di ba yung King, parang si LeBron James, the King. Parang naman Don King, di ba? Kaya sabi ko, parang pinopromote yata tong bagong business na to.
Nagkataon
Pero
lang.
maganda yan, maganda. It's a good business. Ano ko lang sa'yo, proposal ko sa'yo. Kung
Oo,
gusto mo,
ganda.
di ba, sa mga mga dancer, why not? Or kung mga, fitness dancer mo,
Well,
yan, meron kayong cup.
kaya ako nakasuot ng hat kasi hindi pa ako naliligo.
Dapat yata maliligo ka na kanina, saka tinawagan lang kita, kaya
Ang
hindi ka
lamig
na
eh.
naligo.
Wala
Sabagay,
pong
malamig.
ligo dito siguro after a week, 7 days. So, no, wait for next week then doon kami maliligo dito
Maliligo.
po sa Ireland.
Ang buhay, Arlo. Totoo yun, totoo yun. Di ba? Hindi ako ganon. Yung anak ko, hindi ako. 2 days naman siya. Pero marami akong alam na kilala dito na, hindi, malamig eh. Bukas na ako maliligo.
Malamig. Bukas na.
Di ba? Oo, bukas na. Pero anyways, Don, maraming salamat. Any last
Thank you
message
din.
or any, ano pa tawag dito, any shout out, family mo, whatever?
Well, shout out sa I will make it general.
Mm-mm.
Shout out to all the Pinoys na nakikinig. Pero maraming salamat, Jerome. Thank you for
You're welcome.
inviting me actually to hear
Mm-mm.
my voice, share
Yes.
my experience. Malaki
Mm-mm.
po sa akin, it's a big opportunity for me and a privilege na marinig
Mm-mm.
niyo po yung storya ko, na there's so many stories na hindi natin na tackle.
Mm-mm.
And then the last thing I want to say is it's all about faith and by the grace of God. So kung ano po yung na-receive ko sa buhay ko ngayon, it's all about grace from the above. Biyaya
Mm-mm.
po galing sa Panginoon. Kaya po ako ngayon nakatayo kahit papaano. Minsan bumabagsak, pero I do believe when you still holding those faith,
Mm-mm.
hindi po kayo matatalo. Nothing to lose. So always pray. That's
Mm-mm.
always I remember. Have faith in God and love the family and look after yourself in health. Tandaan niyo po to, kahit ano pong yaman nyo, pero kung may sakit po kayo, all your work hard, yung materials is useless. Health is the main thing. Kung ako nga po kung papipiliin nyo, bilyong pera or euro or health, I rather be poor but I'm healthy. That's
Mm.
that's in my heart kasi po I've seen it and kaya doon po sa Ireland at doon sa mga netizen sa mga sa social
Mm.
media, focus, like invest something in your health. Alagaan niyo po yung kalusugan niyo kasi
Mm.
yun na lang, doon niyo po makikita yung paglaki ng anak niyo eh. Hindi kasi pag may
Tama.
sakit po kayo, hindi niyo makikita yung pamilya niyo.
Tama.
Lagi ka po kayo
Yun.
nasa kama. Alam mo 'yon. So,
Tama.
and you will enjoy life when you're healthy. Take me, like, you
Mm.
know, sometimes I complain, we have no money, but that's okay. I rather complain with no money than complain I'm not well. You know, so
Mm.
that's my last. Maraming salamat, Buhay Arlan, and please follow this page. I urge you to follow this page because I know marami pa pong mga guests si Jerome na
Mm.
iimbitahan na mapupunan, makakapulot po tayo ng aral at ng aral at may inspired po tayo to
Mm.
pursue our dreams and to
Mm.
be a better person for year 2025.
Yes, amen. Maraming salamat, kinumpleto mo na yung sasabihin ko pero ayun, galing na kay Don King. Thank you so much, Don King, for this privilege na makapunta ulit dito. And then sa mga followers, keep watching and actually bukas. Ano na pala sa'yo na-release na pala yung part 1 actually. So ngayon bukas para sa akin. Pero anyways, last week yun. So anyways, maraming ulit salamat Don King sa yung time and regards to the family and hopefully ito yung hindi naman sana ito maging last natin na pag-uusap.
Oh,
Marami pa tayo pwede pag-usapan kahit out of
marami. As in, I can share not only careers,
mm,
even in a small part, like for example, sneakerheads. No, I'm joking.
mm. Pwede ka ba
Kung
wala idea?
ano po ako, nagse-sell din po ako sa resale. So,
Buy and sell.
kung ano po yung
Buy
pero
and sell.
for legit, ano.
Mm.
Mahaba na naman to. Pero,
Sabi,
na,
sa- sabi ko last time, pinutol ko kasi 1 hour something yon. Ngayon, haba na naman to, 1 hour and 5 minutes na naman to. Sabi,
no.
sige na nga, pagbigaw. Hindi. Siguro sa collection, kasi naka-line up na rin yung collector natin dito ng mga tao na
Yeah.
nag-i-invest na rin ako sa mga collector dito sa mga, sa Ireland. Marami akong kilala rin na katulad mo na nagko-collect ng mga ganyan. So, syempre, yun na yung mga taong kakausapin natin. Babalik ka pa rin talaga sa
Yes. And
kakausapin kita, but it's
I'm
gonna be sneaker.
Yeah, I'm getting rid of some of my old sneakers na hindi ko
Mm-mm.
nasusuot. And they're all
Mm-mm.
legit. They're all Jordans. They're all like sneakerheads.
Mm.
So
Mm.
like Heat. So approach
Mm.
me in the future para
Buy and sell pa talaga 'to.
para magamit kasi time will come,
Oo.
this will deteriorate, this will
Yeah,
destroy. Diba?
di
Kasi hindi ka
totoo yun.
nasusuot eh. So I
So,
rather
ito mo.
someone with a,
Tama. Hindi, tama naman. Ito yung program natin, lahat pwede. Hindi lang talk show. Pwede din kami, ano ba tawag? Pamain.
pama- Oo, pupuntahan ko
Hindi,
pa kayo,
promise.
hindi para at
Ayun.
least hindi mawala sa mail, alam mo 'yon. So instead of
Hindi totoo to,
posting,
hindi seryoso si Don King guys, hindi siya dito patawa. Dito kasama dun sa aming script, pero ito totoo talaga.
ayun, tignan niyo, ang dami pang sapatos yun, oh.
Diyos ko naman, ang dami pa pala.
Puno
Huwag na natin
yan,
pakita, baka
plus.
maano sila. Ano na natin sa kanila, spoil na lang natin ng konti para maging
Sige.
interesado. So if you want any of these shoes, anong size ba yun sa'yo?
I'm size 8 UK. So,
8 UK.
9 US.
US,
Just to be
yes.
9 US. So.
Yun. So mag-usap na lang kayo, message nyo na lang ako or siya. Then pag-usapan nyo yung pricing. Meron akong cut-off dyan actually.
Of course.
Joke lang. Hindi, joke lang. Pero yan, maraming salamat and I hope I see you again in our next video, guys. And I'll see you and goodbye and good luck. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. God bless.
Job vacancy.